Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 9, Chapter 4, shloka number 67. Devotees don't desire even liberation. This is the transcendental conversation between the Supreme Lord and Durvasa Muni. Matsevaya pratitam te Matsevaya pratitam te Matsevaya pratitam te Salokyadi chatusthayam Salokyadi chatusthayam Salokyadi chatusthayam Na Chanti sevaya purnaha Nechanti sevaya purnaha Na ichanti sevaya purnaha Nechanti sevaya purnaha Kuto anyat kala viplutam Kuto anyat kala viplutam Kutonyat kala viplutam Kutonyat kala viplutam Matsevaya pratitam te Matsevaya pratitam te Salokyadi chatusthayam Salokyadi chatusthayam Salokyadi chatusthayam Nechanti sevaya purnaha Nechanti sevaya purnaha Nechanti sevaya purnaha Kutonyat kala viplutam Matsevaya pratitam te salokyadi chatusthayam Nechanti sevaya purnaha Kutonyat kala viplutam. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. My devotees who are always satisfied to be engaged in my loving service are not interested even in the four principles of liberation: Salokya, Sarupya, Samipya, and Sarsti. Although these are automatically achieved by their service, what then is to be said of such perishable happiness as elevation to the higher planetary systems? What then is to be said of such perishable happiness as elevation to the higher planetary systems. Matsevaya pratitam te Matsevaya pratitam te Salokyadi chatusthayam Salokyadi chatusthayam Nechanti sevaya purnaham Nechanti sevaya purnaham Kutonyat kala viplutam Kutonyat kala viplutam. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.